Hello there. I'm going to show you how to download a QR code for your business cards or your website, your blog, or you just want to have a funky QR code for yourself, your personal website. It's entirely up to you. It's something quicker and easier to scan a QR code than type a website. You can do it as a PNG file, you can do an SVG file, you can also do a PDF file, and you can also print it directly off your computer to your printer. I'm going to jump straight in and show you. Let's go into the search bar and write www.jonathanblog.com/QR code. Okay, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see multiple different styles you can do it. So, but we're going to stick with the standard link. So left click into URL and put in the website you'd like to use. I'm going to use jonathanblog.com. On your far right, you'll see it all in black, the genetic standard way you normally see QR codes. Let's going to make it all nice and colourful, make it more directly for your business logo if you've got a business. So this would be really great for your colour, coordinate your 3 different colours. So we're going to, on this one, I'm just going to pick grey, white, black, I don't know, let's have a look. Let's jump into colours. Let's give it a grey light background. On the background, left click. You can pick any colour you like, as you can tell, but I'm just going to keep nice and simple. A light grey, kind of dark, it's kind of grey, it's fine. On your far right, you'll see foreground. Left click inside the box. Watch this black change colour. Let's go for an orange. Left click outside a box. Let's save it for now. Left click save on the far right. You'll see PNG, SVG, PDF, print. Watch PDF for a second. I'm going to save. Yes, it's saved. I'm going to press gradient and you're going to see something disappear. Let's keep it purple for now. Let's click save. Oh no. As you can see, PDF has disappeared. So if you want a PDF file or download, you cannot have its gradient. So if you undo this quickly, on the far right, left click again and save, and it comes back. But for this video, I'm going to just to demonstrate different colors. Let's say you want a PNG file or SVG. I'm going to go into gradient so that's nice and colorful. Okay. You can also left click in the radial and also change the colors like that if you want to. Let's unclick that. Left click side. You can change these slightly, it's entirely up to you. Let's skip straight into design. Left click design. You'll see pattern. That'll be the pattern on your far right off your QR code. There's multiple different styles you can pick, but we're going to keep the standard today. Marker border. These will be your, on your far right, the squares to squares. You can totally pick any of these. I'm going to pick this one because I quite like to look at this one, and left click that one, and you go to marker center. So your different styles in here. I'm going to pick, I don't know, let's have a look. Let's click the star. That's quite cool. Let's change the colors. Left click custom marker, and this is where you'll show all the different colors, and you can individually make these all different color. So let's go to border. Let's give it a red, and watch what happens to the red one. So top left, change color. Let's make this change color now. Let's give it like a green. See what happens on if you look on the right side, green. Let's top right, so that'll be this one here. Left click top right. Let's give it, let's say, a blue. And if you keep watching, top right, you see blue. Let's change this. Let's change the star. Top right, left click inside again. And let's give it a color like a purple. And you get the idea. You can do this one if you wanted to. Let's say you want a logo. Upload logo or select watermark. So left click the big blue box. You can upload. I'm going to choose mine. You can't see mine on a computer because it hides my files. I'm using OBS, and that's a cool thing about OBS. I'm going to do videos for OBS in a few. Anyway, let's jump on to our logo. If you'd like me to show you how to remove the background of the logo I've just put in a QR code, let me know in a comment and I can show you how to do that in another video. If you keep going down and you want to, let's say, not use your logo, you can left click any of these, and as you can see on your far right, it completely changes. Also, you can, if you left click frame, you can give it a frame. And because obviously I'm showing you a video how to do this, I'm going to make it look really cool like that. And where you see Scan Me, you can also change the label. So I'm just going to call it Scan Me, you know, just demonstrate. And you can also change the font. For now, I'm just going to leave it for what it is. And to top that off, you can also change the colour of your frame. I'm just going to keep it black for now. So, and as you can see, it's all done. We can download it as a PNG file, an SVG, or we can just print it. How cool is that? Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give it a like, give it a comment, and give it a share, and give me a sub. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next video.